Hey everyone! Welcome to our super adventure into the world of healthy eating. Today we're going to explore the amazing foods that make our bodies strong and healthy. Get ready to become healthy heroes. Healthy eating is like fueling up with superpowers that keep us strong, smart, and full of energy. Are you ready to discover delicious foods that make us feel amazing? Let's dive right into our healthy eating adventure. Fruits and vegetables are like nature's superheroes. They come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, each packed with vitamins and minerals that help us grow and stay healthy. From crunchy carrots to juicy apples, let's discover the tasty power of fruits and vegetables. Whole grains are like mighty builders for our bodies. They give us energy to play, learn, and grow. Whole grain foods are packed with fiber and nutrients that keep our tummies happy and our hearts strong. Let's explore the world of whole grains and discover delicious ways to enjoy them. Protein foods are like muscles builders for our bodies. They help us grow strong muscles, bones, and brains. Whether it's a yummy bean burrito or a tasty egg sandwich, protein foods give us the power to be our best selves. Let's dig into the world of protein and find fun ways to enjoy these healthy foods. Dairy and dairy alternatives are like calcium superheroes for our bones and teeth. They give us strong bones and teeth to smile, laugh, and play all day long. Whether it's sipping on a glass of milk or enjoying a creamy yogurt parfait, let's discover the goodness of dairy and dairy alternatives. Building a balanced meal is like creating a delicious puzzle. It includes foods from all the categories we've explored: fruits and vegetables, whole grains, protein foods, and dairy or alternatives. Eating a variety of foods helps us stay healthy, happy, and ready for any adventure that comes our way. Thanks for joining us on this amazing journey through the world of healthy eating. I hope you had as much fun learning about fruits, vegetables, whole grains, protein foods, and dairy as we did exploring them together. Remember, eating healthy fuels our bodies and minds, making us unstoppable healthy heroes. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.